Hello friends, as we know, Institute has rescheduled the timetable for inter and final examination, which is rescheduled intermediate and final examination timetable program June 2021 merging and December 2021. So as we know, they have merged and they have prepared for timetable also, which has all are in shocking because this examination will cross through the say exams. But in this video I'm just going to discuss some of the important points which is very important. So let us start. The examination will start on 8th December 2021 Wednesday onwards, and it will close Wednesday only 15th December 2021. The time for intermediate 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and for final 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So as we know all this, the fees, and also now we will discuss here application because this is the only important. Point 1, application form of intermediate. We can see here application form for intermediate and final examination has to be filled up through online only, so there is no offline entertainment, only online only, and fees will be accepted through online mode only, including pay fee model of IDBI Bank. No offline form and DD payment will be accepted for domestic candidate. So domestic candidate means all over India who are again sitting for the examination, they have to pay online only. No offline form and DD payment will be accepted domestic candidate. Student opting for overseas centers have to apply for offline and send DD along with the form. So whoever out of country, they can go through the offline mode, DD they can submit. So we can see a student can log in to the website www.icai.in and apply online through payment gateway using credit or debit card or net banking. As we know, we used to pay through website only, that website only they given, and debit and credit card we have to use and pay. Student also pay the requisite fee through pay fee module of IDBI Bank. Student who have chosen opt out for the intermediate, we can see here fourth point. Student who have chosen opt out for the intermediate and final examination December 2020, whoever took the opt out in December 2020 examination, the session will be remain the same, it will be same, you can attend this examination, it won't destroy. So student need not to apply again. So whoever applied for opt out in December 2020, you can continue with this, so you no need to apply again. Last date, if you have applied for one group, you want to sit again one another group, so for another group you have to apply, but whatever opt out is there, you no need to apply, so it will carry forward. Last date for receipt of the examination application form is 8th October 2021. Before it is everyone told that is 10th October, but it is not a 10th October, it is 8th October 2021. Last date for receipt of examination application form, this is the important. The last date of receipt of examination application form 8th October 2021. Don't forget this date. The mode of examination will be online center based, so the mode of examination online center based only, there is no option home based or offline. There is a the mode of examination will be online center based, so be prepared for this. And last, if you have any test, if you have any problem, you can go through this website exam.helpdesk@icmi.in. So this is it guys, these are the important points. Whoever want to pay the fees, you can go through the online only on the website www.icai.in, and you can pay through online. And the last date for examination application form is 8th October, and the exam will conduct, they will conduct only online center based. So this is it guys, if you have any doubt queries, you can keep your message in comment box, so I will try to answer it. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video, thanks a lot.